அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். பயாலஜி தமிழ்நாடு சேனல் சார்பாக உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, உங்களுடைய ஸ்டேட் போர்டு பயோபாட்டனி இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் புக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பிரின்சிபல்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் பயோடெக்னாலஜி, அதாவது 4th லெசன், அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய 1 வேர்ட்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துட்ருக்குறோம். அதில் பார்ட் 5ல் நாம் சந்திக்கிறோம். வாட் இஸ் siRNA? Short interfering RNA. Which plants contain a novel DNA introduced into the genome? Transgenic plants. Glyphosate herbicide is produced by the company. Monsanto, USA. The trade name of glyphosate herbicide. Roundup. Glyphosate herbicide block the enzyme called (5-enopyruvate shikimate 3-phosphate synthase) EPSPS. What is the trade name of phosphonothrixin containing herbicide? Basta. Basta herbicide tolerant gene PPT was isolated from the plant. Medicago sativa. Expand PPT. L-phosphonothrixin. Which enzyme is inhibited by PPT gene, which is involved in ammonia assimilation? Glutamine synthase. The PPT gene was introduced in the plant. Tobacco. Bar genes is isolated from Streptomyces hygroscopicus. Bar gene encodes for the enzyme PAT, phosphonothrixin acetyltransferase. Bar gene is introduced into crop plants like dash and dash. Potato and sugar beet. Which GMO, that is genetically modified organism, produces an insecticide activity to bollworm? BT cotton, that is Bacillus thuringiensis cotton. How many different BT toxins are present in Bacillus thuringiensis? 200 different BT toxins. In BT cotton, the genes are encoded for toxic crystals in which group of endotoxin? Cry group of endotoxin. Which types of toxins are dissolved in the insect's stomach? Cry. Which ions are lost in the bollworms? Potassium. Yield of cotton is increased due to the effective control of bollworms. What is Cry1AC? Crystal protein gene. From which bacterium Cry1AC is isolated? Bacillus thuringiensis. What are the genetic elements are inserted in brinjal? promoters, terminators, and an antibiotic resistant markers gene. Which technique is used to insert promoters, terminators, and antibiotic resistant markers gene in brinjal plant? Agrobacterium mediated genetic transformation. Name the biological name of shoot borer affecting brinjal. Leucinodes arbonalis. Name the insect affect the brinjal fruit. Lepidopteran. What is DMH? Dara mustard hybrid. DMH2 transgenic mustard project is sponsored by Center for Genetic Manipulation of Crop Plants, Delhi University. What is HT mustard? Herbicide tolerant mustard. Which technology is used to create HT mustard, that is herbicide tolerant mustard? Barnas, Barstar technology. What are the 3 genes present in DMH2? Bar gene and Barnas and Barstar. Which method is used to produce flavor saver tomato? Agrobacterium mediated genetic engineering. In which type of tomato ripening of fruit is slowed down? Flavor saver tomato. Which gene is introduced during the production of flavor saver tomato by genetic engineering? Antisense gene. Which enzyme is interfered by genetic engineering in flavor saver tomato? Polygalactonase. Botanical name of rice. Oryza sativa. Name the precursor of vitamin A. Beta carotene. Who developed a rice variety which has vitamin A in its edible part? Ingo Potricus. Name the gene engineered in golden rice production. Psy, that is PSY, phytoene synthase gene, CRT1 gene, and LYC, lycopene cyclase gene. In golden rice production, LYC gene is taken from the plant wild type of rice endosperm. Name the substance present in the endosperm of golden rice. Beta carotene. Sudden hypersensitive reaction is called anaphylactic shock. What is PHB? Polyhydroxybutyrate. Name the pollutant added in the atmosphere while burning synthetic polymer which cause cancer. Dioxin. What is PHA? Polyhydroxyalkanoates. Name the two eco-friendly biopolymers. Polyhydroxyalkanoates, that is PHA, and polyhydroxybutyrate, that is PHB. In golden rice production, PSY genes are taken from the plant. Narcissus, pseudo-narcissus. In golden rice production, CRT1 gene is taken from the bacterium. Erwinia ardorora. Name the biopolymer which have several medical applications such as drug delivery, scaffold, and heart valves. Polyhydroxybutyrate, that is PHB. Name the biopolymer which are biological macromolecules and thermoplastics which are biodegradable and biocompatible. Polyhydroxyalkanoates, that is PHA. Name the gram-positive bacteria used for PHA production. Bacillus megatherium, Bacillus subtilis, and Corynebacterium glutamicum. Name the gram-negative bacteria involved in PHA production. Pseudomonas species and alkaligens Eutrophus. What is PLA? Polylactic acid. Name the substance which is an aliphatic polyester derived from corn starch, cassava root, chips or starch or sugar cane. PLA. What are the two main monomers of PLA? Lactic acid and cyclic diester lactide. மேலும் பல தகவல்களை தெரிந்து கொள்வதற்கு பயாலஜி தமிழ்நாடு சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
பலருக்கு சேவை செஞ்ச நீயும் ஒரு ஹீரோடா. ஒரு கைப்பிடி சோறானாலும் ஷேர் செஞ்சு பாருடா.